Hello everyone, in this videos I am sharing with you how to set up a Google Ads Performance Max campaign and what is the strategy, all everything I am showing in this video. So let's start this video. So right now I am still in Google Ads account. So you see here, before I am set up here like headline, description, long headline, site link extension, all everything which needs for set up Pmax campaign. So go to the Pmax campaign setup. So we go to the create, then go to the campaign. What's our objective? Our objective is leads, and our goals, contacts, and phone call leads. Then go to continue. What's our campaign time? Our campaign type is Performance Max, and as usual I am put here a name like Pmax leads. As usual I put here today date 12/23, as usual 2025, and go to continue and start new. Then what's our bidding? Our bidding is maximize conversion. We have enough data, and for Performance Max campaign need you enough data for your account, otherwise this campaign will be not performed. Then we go to skip. Right now we need to create asset group, so we put here this asset group name like painting, and put here business name budget painting hg.com, and I put here logo like I put here my website URL, and they gave me a logo. I just put it as usual, put crop it, then select, then go to save. So right now I have put here like 50 headline and 5 long headline and 5 descriptions. So at first I put here the final customer as a client when see our ads, then he clicked, they landed whose page. I put here this landing page URL, you see here, and I put here the headline, description, as usual image extension, site link extension, all everything I am showing right now. So I just copy on by on here and paste here, copy also it and paste here. For recommended here, if you use 15 headline, Google will show it easily for the client purpose. Then I put here on by on also. The headline always needs the 30 character under. Always headline need like client feature benefit, then problem solution, as usual pricing. If you have a brand term you can push it like headline, all everything. And I use here as usual long headline 5. So Pmax is most powerful campaign. It's showing like all whole areas, Google all platform where your customer are stay. And I use as usual description 5 description, and just copy and paste. And I use here also the image extension, go to the image, then go to the website social. See here the website image. I push here the URL. Google will recommended this image. I use it also, and I I use it as usual. I use it. um, uh, I use it. So you see here, we need to put the here video photos under 20. So I just select there the picture ratio, and I just click to save. You see here my just I have no video, that's why I not put here video. You see here the add strength is already average. Right now I am put here cycling extension. I'm already created 4 cycling extension. So right now I'm go to the plus icon, then put here the cycling text, also description, then put here the landing page URL. Then I'm go to the second cycling extension. As usual landing page URL, and I am use here number 3 landing page as cycling text, descriptions, to description Google recommend. I just put here 3 also, sorry, we need to put here plastering landing page URL. I'm go to the plastering and copy the landing page URL and paste here, and I click to create. So you see here the cycling extension is created, and I also create here message extension. So I'm go to the new message, select message, WhatsApp message. So my campaign location is Singapore. I got it, Singapore is here, and I put here also the WhatsApp number with plus icon, and I put here the starter text, WhatsApp text, and I select here a call to action. I see none, I not selected, it will be better, then I click to save. I click to apply, and right now I am created a call out extension. So I am already created here like 10 call out extension. I just copy it also and paste here. When we use like enough extension, the conversion rate will be increased 10 to 20%. It's a huge for us. Just copy it also and paste here, and I click to save and click to apply. The call out extension is done. Right now I am push here the audience signal. It's Google recommended, like which types audience we need. Before I created the audience signal, I search here home decor. Home decor is here. Home decor already applied. Then I'm search interior design, like painting service related. design and recording. Okay, then painting services, then homeowners. Like painting service, who is need? Homeowners need. That's why I put here homeowners. As usual, interior painting, put here paint. Yeah, the interest and demographic was created. Then I put here like age. The painting service, I always eat the same, not need to change it. Then I put here my data, like who is audience come to our website, we retarget there, like all visitors, all converters, and GF WhatsApp lead. I use that, and we see here the all everything is clear or not. Yes, and I'm go to the next, and I'm put here the budget. First of all, I set here the recommended budget, then client budget basis I increase or decrease it, then go to next. So right now I'm click it publish, so the campaign will be published, but not need right now. I have already on Pmax campaign is running, and they give better result. So yeah, that's it for today. If you need any help or have any question, just contact with me on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.